Welcome back to Central Virginia Jungle. Hello. I know it's been close to a year since the last time I've checked in, but I wanted to stop by with an update, some new things that are happening, and just to show y'all what's going on. I do have a sad update about my windmill palm. Unfortunately, with this last winter going down to -5 for a couple nights, right after a very bad ice storm, my windmill palm did not make it through. Honestly, a little bit is that on me. I didn't take the proper caution steps in order to protect it when I needed to. I just was away from town. I wasn't home. But that's okay. We're going to start fresh and we're going to learn from our mistakes and we're going to go from there. But in the meantime, I have a new plot of land. We moved. We're going to be starting fresh. I want to start off with my number one. Here comes my banana plant, my Musa Basjoo. She's freshly planted. We're going to start the Central Virginia jungle from step number one. But hey, we're going to make it look even better. We're going to plan this out. It's going to be nice. This is baby number one. This is the first step to our new Central Virginia jungle. I have her planted in the middle of our backyard. A little bit of a soil amendment, a little bit of nitrogen in there. I'm excited to see how big this will go. Lots of open space. It has a little bit of shade. However, the sun comes from this away and comes over and goes over this way. So a good spot, really good spot. You're gonna get lots of sun, at least 7 hours. Just want to give you a quick little update. It's looking good. This is hopefully gonna be a fast grower. We have lots of rain coming up. We've been in a little bit of a drought recently, but we have rain showing up in the weather forecast. But yeah, I have a new growth coming up. I got a leaf, another one coming in. So excited to see where these plants take us. Please be tuned for my windmill palm update. I'll be having some new ones come in soon with the proper protection for the winter time. I promise. That last one got so big, but that's okay. I have some really good spots to plant these windmill palm trees. This is southeast, this way. This is east. So I have lots of coverage. I have trees if I want to use trees. I have those chicken coops. I have a shed. It's going to be good. I'll find a spot. So thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I hope you guys are ready for this summer's journey. And it's going to be a fun one. And here I wanted to show y'all my second banana plant that I've posted. This one's going to be in the front of the house. This one has a north-facing view, northwest-facing view. However, there's a lot of trees in front of it, usually. So it'll have a lot of coverage. This is my second one. This is a little bit smaller. However, this one does get even a little bit more sunlight than the one in the back. This one gets at least 8 hours, just about the entire day it gets. So I'm excited to see how this one grows. This one also has a new growth coming out in the middle. It looks like a very nice healthy leaf. And then in the center there's also a small baby one. If it will focus, we'll see. We'll see if it picks it up. But yeah, this is my second banana tree. A little bit smaller than the first one, but I'm excited to see where it takes us. I feel like we're gonna be seeing a lot of growth. This leaf was broken in transport before I even got it. So hey, I did get it for a discount, but hey, it's all right. It's still a green, beautiful leaf. It's a little pretty healthy. I think it's gonna be 2 summers of really good growth with both of them. So thank you guys again. These are my banana plants. Stay tuned for the windmill palms. I'll see y'all soon. Thank you for tuning in again. I'll catch y'all around. Bye-bye.